This is gonna be impossible to land a fish from here. Oh yeah. No, I lost another one. That was perfect pet bass. What was that?
What?
It was like a see-through salamander.
Where'd it go?
In that hole.
It went into it?
Yeah.
I don't want to stick my finger in it.
I mean, we probably could just block the hole off and dig it out.
Whatever it was, just hit it. Watch. It was hitting it. Oh, it's a crayfish, you dipshit.
No. Wow.
That solves today's mystery of what is Mark's creature of the day.
I didn't see the little claws. I just saw the eyes poking out. Alright guys, we're recording the intro after we already went today, but reason for that is it was kind of a scattered idea. We really weren't sure what to expect. We hadn't been to this pond in forever. It was kind of just tucked away and forgotten about. But we ended up catching a lot of bluegill and we're gonna start a fish tank with it. So that's where we're taking the video now. So there's gonna be some bass fishing in the video also, but now it's the starting of a fish tank. So we'll keep you updated. Oh God, he's all over me. Woo. There's a very angry bee on me. Got one. Is this too big for my fish tank? Well, first fish in the ow. Oh, he gilled. No, you got some.
Got one.
Oh, I see him now.
There we go.
Here we go. Woo! There's a ton of bluegill right here.
Got lost into it, raised the level.
I'm gonna walk along the ground here for this next little part because that looks dangerous. So there's not a bass sitting in this. I don't know where they're at now. It's a decent bass.
There you go.
Woo, no, no, no. Don't fall off, don't fall. Oh, this thing's just beating itself up. Really? That fish has a concussion. Nick caught a fish over there when I wasn't recording. It's been a rough day. All right, here are the fish. Here's the big one. Here's another big one. And the last one. Pretty sure they're just all bluegill. They're too small for me to tell right now. We'll find out sooner or later. Gotta get a new light for my fish tank though. It's all burned out. But here they are. We're pretty much all hiding already.
All my tools, so I better not have stopped. So I was getting attacked by a zombie.
A couple of them over there.
No, it's not.
Well, that's the video for today. Very random assortment of material to go into it. But if you guys are liking what you're seeing, make sure to like and subscribe on the video, and see you next time.